Hi, this is Swati, and in this video, we will see areas related to circles introduction. So here we will cover all the topics, all the formulas that we have in this chapter. First one is circle. Circle area is, as we know, this is the radius. Area of circle is pi r square, and perimeter basically is the circumference of circle, which is 2 pi r or pi d, because 2r is basically the diameter. Anything can be used. Next, semicircle is half of a circle. The formula divided by 2. Now coming to area of circle, semicircle, area of circle is pi r square. Since it is semicircle, it will be pi r square by 2. And perimeter of semicircle is 2 pi r by 2, which is pi r plus 2r, because this is radius, this is radius. This circumference is equal to pi r plus this one, which is r plus r, 2r. Many students forget to add 2r, but the circumference of semicircle is the circumference, the boundary, which is 2 pi r by 2 plus this radius plus radius 2r. Now, circular ring. What is circular ring? Basically, it's a concentric circle. Here you have two circles with the center, common center. This is the small r for the smaller circle. This is the capital R for the larger circle. Now, to find area of this ring, area of the ring is basically this dotted portion. It is outer area minus inner area. So basically pi capital R square minus pi small r square. I can write pi into capital R square minus small r square. Now, next, coming to very important sectors and segments. You definitely will get a question of, this model. Now, length of an arc. Basically, arc is a portion of a circle. Here we can consider arc is AB. So, length of an arc, and this is the angle theta. So, it is theta by 360. 360 because the complete angle of a circle is 360 into, since we are finding the length, the perimeter 2 pi r. Very easy to remember. Now, area of an arc is theta by 360 into area of circle is pi r square. Right? Now, segment. What is segment? Segment is the portion between an arc and a chord. This, my dotted line, is the segment. So how do I find the segment? Segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. So suppose, let me, take up this one. So let me consider this blue one segment, okay? This portion I want to find. So how do I find this portion? Area of sector, which is AOB, the whole part, AOB sector, minus area of triangle. Area of triangle is this portion. So if I subtract sector minus triangle, I'm going to get the segment. Now, how do I calculate the major segment? Major segment is the portion apart from the minor segment. So the whole portion. So basically, area of circle, from the circle, complete circle, we will subtract the minor segment area. Minus area of minor segment. I hope this is clear. Very, very important. Length of arc, area of arc, and segment. Yes. Now, next is rotations made by wheel. So, distance by wheel in one revolution. Distance, whenever you see distance, it means the circumference, the perimeter, not area. Distance is the boundary, the outer region. Now, number of rotations. How do I find the number of rotations? Number means whenever you see number, not just this chapter, if you come across surface areas also, whenever you see number, you will always divide. Divide what? Distance moved by it in unit time by circumference of wheel. From that you get the number of rotations. I hope this is clear. So here I've covered all the topics, all the formulas. In my next video, we will see some past year questions, which definitely will come in your board exam. Hope you like my video. Thank you.